scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Retrovirus questions look tricky, but this one moves fast if you track how genetic information changes form before proteins get made. Watch this closely. Retroviruses start with an RNA genome, and that matters immediately because the question asks for information flow, so first lock in that the viral genetic material is RNA, not DNA. After infecting a host cell, the virus uses reverse transcriptase to make DNA from its RNA, so the information flow flips the usual direction before protein synthesis can continue. Then that viral DNA is used to produce RNA, and that RNA gets translated into protein, so the full path matches option C. Well done, option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing past reverse transcription signs. Rule, trust the given virus type and check each information flow step carefully.